Today is revision, lesson 1 and lesson 2. About the exams, the exams in 25, on Sunday, 25 October. 25 October. Clear?
Mister, the exam from lesson 1 to lesson 4?
Yes. The exams may be multiple choice.
Mister, the first exam is you, right?
Yesterday, I upload exam, trial exam, help you for the midterm
Mister,
exam.
you write chapter 1, but we take only 4 lessons.
Chapter lesson 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mister,
Is our exam online or at school?
Online on Sunday, 25 October. Clear? Online, 25 October. I repeat. Don't ask me after 5 minutes online or in the schools, please. Okay,
Assalamu
now
alaikum, Mister.
you'll come. Open your book, page 22. What are cells? Follow me, please. Concentrate and put highlight for the main ideas. The cells and an organism.
Hi, Mister.
Right. An organism is a living thing, so important definition or short answer or matching.
Mister.
Yes, Basim.
You upload the exam. Is this the exam for the report or what?
Yes, for the work, yes. But help you for the quiz.
Understand?
You have to understand it. It's so important. Help you. You will
Mister,
practice.
The quiz will come. Are we gonna write or only match or what?
The exam may be multiple choice, true, false, or matching, or short answer.
Mister.
That means
Yeah.
the exam will be online?
Online. I told you before 2 minutes. Online on Sunday, 25 October.
Okay.
Where's your mind? Where's your mind?
I wasn't here. I just joined.
This is your problem. You have to be from the beginning. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
I sent you an email on Classera.
Yes, thank you. Please silent. We haven't a time.
Everybody.
We haven't a time.
The quiz that.
Cell is a smallest unit of living things that can carry out the basic processes of life. What is the function of cell? Define a cell. Match between A and B. Matching the cell is so important. Where do cells come from? Short answer, cells come from other cells. Be careful. Cell divided or split into two new cells. Page 23. Page 23. Unicellular and multicellular is so important. The difference between multicellular and silent. Unicellular and multicellular.
بس المهم اللي هي روبلوكس اساسا. Mister, I want to read.
No. Unicellular, so important for true false. For example, unicellular or one-celled organism is made of a single cell that carries out all its life processes. I can change unicellular by multicellular. The true becomes false. True, false, or matching. So, page 24. The diagram is important. Diagram is important. Label the diagram. Label the diagram. Label the diagram in word box. Nucleus. Cell membrane, flexible wrapping called cell membrane. The definitions. Cell membrane control that materials move into or out of the cell. Put the vocab in word box on the diagram. Blank, cytoplasm here blank, vacuole blank, nucleus blank. Put the suitable word. This figure is important, and plant cells, so important. Okay. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, gel-like liquid. Cytoplasm, gel-like liquid. Cytoplasm is mostly made of water. Cytoplasm support all the cell's structures. So now the nucleus, so important. The nucleus is the cell's control centers. The cell's control centers define the nucleus and what is the nucleus functions. Control centers. The nucleus contains the master plans for all the cell's activities. Sends signals to all other parts of the cell. Mitochondria. Mitochondria covered organisms that supply energy for the cell. Factory of energy for the cell. Supply the cells by energy. They break down food. Vacuole. Store water, food, and wastes. Store water, food, and wastes. 26. Concentrate into diagram. Plant cells and animal cells. Label. What's inside a plant cell? We'll see. Plant cells have box-like shape. Mitochondria, vacuole, it has one big vacuole. Nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, cell wall, chloroplast and cell wall. Notice the difference between animal cells and plant cells. The label is so important, plants and animal cells. Page 27. Cell wall, outer covering around the outside of the cell. Cell wall is difference between animal cells and plant cells. Vacuole, large vacuole in the plant cells, provides extra support. Chloroplasts. Here there's a big difference between plant cells, plants and animals. Plants make their own food. Plants make their own food, but the animals rely on other organisms to obtain food, to get food. Chloroplast is a green structure. Chlorophyll is able to use the energy in sunlight for true false, so important. Many plant cells are green because of the chlorophyll. Short answer, for short answer, because it has one word, the answer one word. Many plant cells are green because of the chlorophyll in the chloroplast chlorophyll. Page 28. How are cells organized? One cell that performs all life functions. Here you have to distinguish between cells, tissue, organs, and organ systems, and organisms. Similar cells working together at the same job form a tissue. Now, a group of tissue that work together to perform a specific function form an organ. Organs that work together to perform certain functions make up an organ system. Some organ systems work together with other organ systems. For example, digestive system, circulatory system. Now I would like to ask you a question. Your heart is tissue or organs or organisms?
Organ.
Organ. Yes, organ. Your heart.
Our heart is organ.
Organ. Thank you. Thank you for. Thank you. Page 29. Page 29.
Yeah.
Can you mute us?
No, don't mute.
Right, silent, or put mute for all. Silent. Page 29. Here, 29. All the questions, all the multiple choice in the end of lessons is so important. Concentrate on it. All the multiple choice on the ends of lessons is so important. Which cell structure is found in plant cells but not in animal cells? Question number 2.
It's chloroplast.
Yes, nucleus. Control center, nucleus.
Nucleus.
Nucleus. Page 34. Page 34. Scientists organize these organisms by sorting or classifying them into groups according to the shared characteristics. Shared characteristics. Concentrate, shared characteristics. The definition of classification. Here, the definition of kingdom. The broadest group an organism is classified into is a kingdom. The broadest group is kingdom. The narrowest group, species. The narrowest group, an organism can be classified into a species. You are going to page 35. Page 35. Skip 36. What are animals? Animals are completely multicellular. Plants and animals are only kingdom. Kingdom, two other kingdom, fungi and protists, have both unicellular and multicellular. I can put a question. Have both unicellular and multicellular species. Blank. You can put fungi or protists. Fungi or protists. Here, animals don't make their own food. It's different between animals and plants. Animals don't make their own food. Plants make their own food. Big difference. Plant cells have cell walls. Animal cells don't have. Plant cells have cell walls. Animal cells don't have cell walls. Vertebrate and invertebrate. What is the difference between vertebrate and invertebrate? Vertebrate have backbones, invertebrate don't have. Invertebrates include mollusks, echinoderms, and arthropods. I can put two, and the third you have to put it from your memorize. For short answers, invertebrate phyla include the mollusks, echinoderms, and blank. You have to put arthropods from your memory. Echinoderms include sea stars, sea cucumbers, and sea urchins. Now we are going to page 37. The arthropods are the largest invertebrate phylum. Concentrate on these phrases. It's important for true, false, or fill in the blank. All vertebrates belong to the phylum. All vertebrates belong to the phylum for that. Animals in this phylum are called chordates. Mammals, we will recognize mammals in the next lessons. We are in a hurry to cover all lessons. Page 38. What are plants and fungi? Cell walls are organisms from only two kingdoms, plants and fungi. Plants and fungi. Plants and fungi cannot move from place to other place. The word vascular means contains tubes or vessels. Non-vascular, here the difference is so important. I can change the vocab. Instead of vascular, I can put non-vascular. The true becomes false or matching. Page 39. Most fungi get energy by breaking down dead or decaying plants and animals. The main phrases is so important. The main idea is so important. Concentrate on the main idea, main phrases, main sentences. Fungi can live in almost any dark and wet place, like the basement, for example. Many fungi are useful for us. Yeast is the fungus that makes bread rise. And also used in the medicines. Antibiotic. Fungi are the original source of medicines called antibiotic in the hospital. Last page, page 40. What are bacteria and protists? Organisms can be divided into bacteria and archaea. This organism can be divided into bacteria and archaea. Bacteria and archaea need membrane covered organelles like the mitochondria. Organisms can exist in everywhere. Are found in everywhere, in your toothbrush, in your food, in your skin, in everywhere. Some bacteria cause disease and infections. Bacteria just live with you and produce no harmful effects. Last passage. Okay, it's enough. It's enough today. enough. I'll open the camera. You can. Do you have anything? Do you have any comment? My student, the exam is so easy. The exam is so easy. Be relaxed. Multiple choice, true, false, short answer. Yeah. Fill in the blanks or label the diagram. Label the diagram. Now time's up. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Goodbye. Goodbye.